everyone, welcome to my channel. My sister's over there. Today's gonna be a wash day and redo my silk press with me. This is what we're looking like.
Bundles.
Ah.
Yes, Lord.
So what did you say?
Sounds not good.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna show them. I just added some rosemary oil to my hair. I'm letting it sit. I added it to my hairline. And I added it to my ends. So I'm about to put it in a bun for a few minutes. I just gave myself a trim, and actually it was more of a cut. It was definitely more of a cut. It was a few inches. Oh, thanks. My sister's so supportive, you guys. So this is gonna be the last silk press of the season. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, always like, comment, subscribe, and that's it. I'll see you in a second.
For the hustle. She work hard. Like, comment, subscribe, huh?
You heard her. Period. Oh. Okay, I'm back in my actual bathroom. I will say this might not be the most aesthetic situation, but this is real life, okay? So we're gonna start with what I just did. So I just put some of this rosemary oil all over my hair. And in the shower, I will show you the products I'm gonna use because I'm not gonna do the whole you're gonna join me in the shower situation. I might do a clip of my hair reverting, but so 1 second. Okay, and recently I've been using this, I don't know if it's ORS or if it's ORS hair repair shampoo for dry hair because I always prefer moisture over everything. And then naturally my conditioner is almost out, but my shampoo is pretty much full. So same brand conditioner. I don't really have any strong opinions about the both of these. Yeah, I feel like they're good. They do the job, but the conditioner isn't super moisturizing, but it is fine when you detangle it. But I think I use a lot more because it's not super like moisturizing or crazy. So with that, I also use, I haven't canceled her yet, okay? This hair mask, I'm running out, but I think it'll be enough to do the job. So I'm gonna use this strengthening rosemary mint hair mask, which works out. And I also add, I've added a little bit more of this rosemary oil to this blend, and I just kind of like stirred it around. So that's the plan, you guys. I have a little bit of this mega thick hair oil left, so I think I'm just gonna add that to the center of my scalp because she has been so dry. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up what I have left. And don't forget, get your ends. I'm doing this before I wash so that, I don't know, it just feels like the right thing to do. Sometimes I think about like how the Indian culture like oils their hair, and they have really nice long hair, so sometimes I often take little things from there. Although I did try that Indian hair oil that people were saying was good. It's like green. I'll have to add the picture because of course I can't remember what it was called, but I tried that and I did not like it, and it like stained my shower green. I don't know if I got the right one though, because I did hear that people were saying like some of the ones from Amazon were like fake. So, but I think I want to start trying to make my own hair oils just like naturally, because I don't know, that just seems like a really nice situation to have homemade oils. And then you can add what like works for your own hair. Like for me, like some rosemary and you know, I guess just rosemary because nothing else is coming to mind. But all right, that's it. I'm gonna brush through this one more time. I also did add a very little bit of castor oil because I feel like my hair really likes that oil as well, but it's very heavy, so a little goes a long way. So now we're gonna tie her in a bun. Nothing crazy, just a little twisted situation like that. Okay. Now, gotta take these off. Okay, we're ready. Sorry, this was a long clip, but to have like something to watch on my hair days. Could be a movie, could be, you know what it typically is though, is Berleezy. I am a huge fan. I've been a fan since he dropped Exposed, but when he first started his gaming channel, I certainly subscribed when he did that very bad quality video in like his garage or something. I don't know where it was, but he was just talking about starting this gaming channel, and now he's at 2.73 subscribers. Million, by the way, million. I love it. So I always watch this, and I have a little thing in my shower, so I like to put this on there and listen to it while I wash my hair. So if you hear something in the back, because I'm not gonna like go through and edit too much this video, that's what you're listening to. Okay, I decided to commit, and I'm gonna show you guys my hair. I've never done this before. Also, you need a good detangling brush. This is the best detangling brush I've ever had. It spreads apart. I forgot where I got it from, but amazing tool. Amazing tool. Sometimes, oops, I'm getting water all over the floor. You can see her. You can see her coming back. I gotta hurry because the fog is slowly coming in. I just brush through it as it's reverting so that the detangling process is fast. And I just don't really have to worry about it. So I'll drench it, and you can smell the rosemary oil. I love it. All right, we're slowly running out of time. Okay, I mean, you guys get the gist. This is pretty much it. So, okay, I'm leaving now.
I wish I could get my laugh together like you. Don't like you. He's not that perfect. You can't even think of one. Oh my gosh, what are you making me?
My dame's on Broadway.
You know I'm a triple threat.
Okay, so I use this Wow spray. Okay, wait. I'm trying to remember the order I do this in. No, I put on heat protectant first. This is just regular schmegular heat protectant. I detangle one of my sections, so I'm gonna detangle this section, use the heat protectant, use the spray, brush it in, and then I'll do probably split this section in half, and then I will do this dry bar, and I'll detangle it and blow dry it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Okay, I'll see you around, neighbor.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what we're looking like. I usually keep it straight the first few days, and then I'll like start to add more curls and volume and whatnot. Rose, I'm gonna add a little more of this oil to my scalp because I oiled her down, but she was still a little dry. So just adding some oil there. And then my favorite product is this. Apparently I love this brand. I'm realizing in this video that I have a lot of this stuff. This is the Frizz Control Glossing Hair Polisher. I use this almost every single day when my hair is straight because it just gives it such a nice shine. Now I really didn't probably flat iron as well as I usually would have, but you do what you can. You really do what you can, and this is what we're looking like. So I might change the part to be a side part, but until then. And that stuff is a little heavier, this glossing stuff, so you only need a little bit. I always add a little bit more when I first do it because my hair soaks it in so fast. I fear I'm gonna like this more when my earrings are in, unfortunately. Okay, so this is it, everybody. My hair is done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. I think I already said that. Sorry, I'm trying to like give it a little more time because sometimes I'd be rushing off of here. But that's how I do my, I don't know if you call it a silk press because it's not as like loose, but it is still pretty light compared to previous jobs that I've done and others have done. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and that's it. See you guys later. Bye.